When we do inscribed angles, we're going to be multiplying or dividing by 2. So in order to find this angle, I can take the arc. If I move it in, I divide by 2 and get that it's 70 degrees. On this one, I know half of a circle is 180. So if I find that, when I take it in, I divide by 2 and it is 90 degrees. If you notice that this is 90 first, you could take it out and times by 2 to find the 180. So on problem 19, I have that this is 110 for the arc. When I take that arc in to find the angle, I divide it by 2, get 55. I'm going to highlight the sides. They create this arc. When I take the 162 in, 81 degrees, because I divide it by 2. Now I have the angle is 60, and I'm looking for the arc, which means it's getting bigger. So we multiply by 2, get 120. I have the 86, which gives me 172 when I multiply it to take it out. I highlight the sides of the angle for the 54 because it's in this angle right here. When I take it out, it creates this arc, but I have to double it, so it becomes 108. I have this angle I'm looking for. I know it creates this arc. When I take it in, that means I divide it. I think that's a 116. Say it's 116. Divide it by 2 to get the 58. This one's a little harder. I know when I take this out, it creates this arc, which would give me 230. But I want that angle, I don't want the arc. So if I have found this, I kind of have to build off of it. So the 230, I'm going to use it again, but I'm going to use it to find this piece over here. So 360 minus 230 means that this arc is 130. And if I use that arc to find this angle, that means it's a 65 degree angle. So you kind of have to bounce around a little bit. I take this angle out and it creates this arc, which would be 244, and it just wanted RST. RST, so done. On 27, I'm given this angle. I can take it out and find the arc is 90 by doubling it. But my question mark is on this side, and I know I have a full circle, so I'm going to do 360 minus the 90 minus the 141. Take out the 59, I'm going to highlight its sides for the angle. That creates this arc, so I double it. Now I need to find this section, but notice I only have half my circle highlighted. Excuse me. So I'm going to use 180 this time instead of 360. So that arc is 62 degrees. take out the angle, which means I double it. That's 98. I need this piece, which is half of a circle. $82 for that arc. 30 is the hardest one. You take out the 87 first by doubling it. $174 minus the 88 from it. So this is an 86 degrees, 88. So I just separated the 174 into two pieces. Now I can take out the 98 for this big arc here, which would give me 196 minus the 86 from it to get just this section, which would be 110. So that's the hardest one that you'll get. 31, I have this angle in here. Going to double it. It's 96 for the arc. I need this missing arc. It's half of a circle. 180 minus 96 is 84 degrees. I can take out this angle to find the arc by doubling it. $118. I know that's a 93. That's given already. I need to find that piece, so that means I have a full circle. So I use 360 minus 93 minus 118. 360 minus 93 minus 118. 149. And that's how you do inscribed angles.